All right, so this all came up from like not that I look in people's shopping carts or anything, but we grew up on this stuff, and so if you're out there and you continue or you purchase what's behind me here, Velveeta cheese, first you have to understand that this is one of the most processed things on the face of this earth. It can't even legally be called cheese. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. So we're going to go into understanding. I really want to drive home the point. Please, there are so many better options than Velveeta cheese. All right. First, I want to let you know what's in it. All right. Here's what's in it. Look at this: milk, water, whey, milk protein concentrate, milk fat, whey protein concentrate, sodium phosphate, 2% less of salt, calcium phosphate, lactic acid, sorbic acid, sodium citrate, sodium alginate, enzymes, apocarotinol, annatto, and cheese culture. Okay? This is not real cheese. It's not. It can't even legally be called cheese. It's a pasteurized, prepared cheese product. All right. So and typically what's in cheddar cheese is pasteurized milk, salt, enzymes. Like, that's it. Think about this. Like, this stuff doesn't even need to be refrigerated. Like, that's kind of that just means that there are so many additives in this thing. The shelf life is incredible. Like, can you imagine what this stuff is doing to your body? All right. Get this. If you're lactose intolerant, or if you want to find out if you're lactose intolerant, go ahead and eat some of this Velveeta cheese. Okay. This stuff averages 9.3% lactose. That's more than regular cheese. 2.1% cheddar usually maxes out at. This stuff is not good. So if you buy that, like, there's so many other different options. So you can't tell me that you're still purchasing, you're still consuming this. When I grew up with this stuff, I didn't know, I had no idea. I didn't even think twice about it. I just, it was a product. It was cheese. We kept it in the fridge. But I remember cutting a slice off. It was a block of cheese. We cut a slice off of it and we ate it. Like, I just cut a slice of, and I just can't imagine that people still go to the store after knowing what it is. Once you can't tell me that you still use this in your home, home products or home meals, or, you just can't. So let's see here. What else? So, one thing that you really want to stay away from, like mac and cheese, if you make it with Velveeta, with this stuff, you're just it is a chemical storm of processed stuff. And this is one thing that you do not want to be feeding your kids, even though they're going to love it. There are so many bad things about it. There's so many different ways to substitute what you want in here. It's cheese. This is just not a good option at all. So do me a favor. If you see this in the store, leave it up on the shelf. Let's look for different options. This stuff is not even cheese. It is a chemical storm of preservatives that make you think it's cheese. This stuff literally has 0 to no nutritional value. It just does. So to be honest, the only time I would recommend real cheese is if you're on this stuff. Real cheese is so much better than this stuff. So please don't think that this is real cheese. Please don't think this is a health product. This is a absolute terrible choice for if you want to make healthy decisions. And if you're feeding this to your kids, making mac and cheese, making dinners for the whole family with Velveeta cheese and shells or whatever, use real cheese instead. Don't use this stuff. I know it's cheaper. I know it's but please, you're not doing your family, yourself, any favors by using this stuff. So Hope this sinks in. I hope this makes sense. Let me know if you use Velveeta cheese. Let me know if you need some alternatives. Let me know your thoughts on this. Hope this helps. Eat more plants. See ya.